Now to a grim milestone here in the U.S. The White House marked 1 million COVID-related deaths in the country since the pandemic began. And as Morgan Norwood reports, the president is now asking Congress to offer financial assistance as cases continue to rise.
Tonight, the U.S. marking that long-dreaded milestone for an unthinkable tragedy. 1 million lives lost to COVID-19. Silence on Capitol Hill, flags lowered to half-staff as the country honors those who died.
My heart goes out to all of those who are struggling, asking themselves, how do I go on without him? How do I go on without her?
It's a question that more than 250,000 American children have struggled to answer on their own as they navigate the world without their parent. World News Tonight anchor David Muir spent months documenting their journey.
What's been the hardest part for you?
Not being able to see him every day. It was always good waking up and seeing him.
Sadly, the number of orphan children due to the pandemic could rise as the country sees a spike in new cases. Federal data shows on average more than 300 Americans are still dying of COVID every day. Health experts warning that things could get much worse this fall if Congress doesn't approve the critical new funding for more vaccines and treatments.
As we get to the fall, we are all going to have a lot more vulnerability to a virus that has a lot more immune escape than it even does today, and certainly than it did 6 months ago.
White House COVID-19 response coordinator Dr. Ashish Jha already looking ahead to the next generation of vaccines.
I suspect, based on the preliminary data that's out there, is that the next generation of vaccines are going to provide a much, much higher degree of protection against the virus that we will encounter in the fall and winter.
Morgan Norwood, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Like the rest of the country, all U.S. and Hawaii state flags will fly at half-staff to honor the 1 million people who lost their life to the coronavirus. Lieutenant Governor Josh Green, who's acting governor while Governor David Ige is in Japan, ordered the flag change take effect immediately until sunset next Monday.